Hello and welcome to a new episode of Google Analytics. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a site search tracking on Google Analytics. So if you have a website and you have a search bar in there, through the setup you'll be able to identify the keywords that your visitors are looking within your website. So you'll be able to identify their intent, their interest, or what are the things that they're looking for basically when they land on your website. So this is how to do it. Go to the admin settings. This is very easy to do. Uh, Go to view settings and then scroll all the way down and just toggle this site search tracking. Now it will ask you to put a query parameter. Now to determine your query parameter, simply go to your website and then just try to search for something. So say for example here I already have a keyword in mind and to try. So this is the search page and what we need in here is the word or a letter that comes before the equal sign. So we need this letter S in here. So let's try S. And then that's it. If your website is an e-commerce, make sure to toggle this site search category. So if people are looking within a category, say for example a beauty product or a dress, you'll be able to see that. So now that you're all set, give it 24 to 48 hours for the data to populate. Now, after you set this is how you will find the keywords. So go to behavior and then scroll all the way to the site search and go to the search terms and then there, you'll see the keywords, search terms that people are using within your website.